Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: making machines do the work. Scripts, APIs, and practical automation. Hey Network Academy Fun fam! Ever felt like a human robot doing the same configuration over and over? Sleeping well. Buckle up, because today we're unlocking the secret sauce to making machines do the heavy lifting. Automation. Think of it as giving your network a superhero sidekick that never gets tired. Imagine setting up 50 new switches by hand. Typing the same commands again and again. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Manual tasks are slow, boring, and guess what? Humans make mistakes. A typo in one line can bring down an entire service. Automation swoops in to save the day, making things faster, more accurate, and freeing you up for cooler, more strategic stuff. Okay, so what is a script? Simple. It's just a set of instructions you write for a computer to follow. Step by step, like a super detailed recipe for your network device. Instead of you typing show IP interface brief 100 times, a script can do it for you in a blink. We'll often use Python for this. It's super friendly and reads almost like plain English. If scripts are the what to do APIs, application programming interfaces are the how to talk. Think of an API like a restaurant menu. You don't go into the kitchen to cook your food, right? You tell the waiter, the API, what you want, and the kitchen, the network device or a software service, gives you what you ordered. It's how different software programs communicate with each other in a structured way. This is where the magic happens. Your script, your detailed instructions, uses APIs, the communication method, to tell your network devices, switches, routers, firewalls, servers, you name it, what to do. You write the plan, and the API helps your plan execute across all your devices seamlessly. It's like having a robot assistant who also speaks every device's language and never gets bored of repetitive tasks. So, what can this dynamic duo actually do? Imagine automating daily tasks. Checking interface statuses across your entire data center in seconds. Backing up configurations automatically every night. Deploying new VLANs or firewall rules in minutes instead of hours. Or even setting up new user access permissions without breaking a sweat. It's about turning repetitive chores into single-click wonders, saving you tons of time and effort. Learning automation isn't just a cool trick. It's becoming a non-negotiable skill for any aspiring data center engineer. It makes you incredibly valuable to employers, saves tons of time and headaches, and frees you up to tackle more complex, strategic problems. Get ready to level up your career, embrace the future of networking, and make machines work for you instead of you working for them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.